Hi, in this video we are going to learn on how to recover permanently deleted photos on Android. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing to do is to come and open your Play Store, and after that you will search for Disk Digger Photo Recovery. And you will load that, and my friend, you will download the first app that has over 100 million downloads. And after that, my friend, you will allow it to install, and then I will direct you on what to do. So let's allow it to download, and after it has downloaded, it will start installing it automatically. My friend, in case you will find value in this video, feel very free to subscribe. And not only to subscribe, my friend, ring that bell so that you do not miss any other tips, tricks or tutorials that I offer on this channel. So my friend, it has downloaded. All I need to do is to open it, and after that I will allow these permissions so that it can work on this my phone. After that, I just need to click on scan, and this app will scan my phone. First of all, I will allow this very permission, and then this app will scan my phone, and it will detect all the deleted photos in my phone, and after that I can happily restore this very photo. So you can see it has a lot of photos, and my friend, all I need to do now is just to select the photos that I want to recover. For example, I can select these photos, and after that I will click on recover, and it will ask me whether I want to upload it on cloud or if I want to save it on my disk, that is the internal space, or if I just want to share this. So you will pick your favorite choice here, and my friend, that will suit your purpose. But for me, I'm going to choose to save on this very phone, and it will ask you to choose between the internal space, and if you have an SD, it will also ask you for an SD. So I'll select an SD, and you can now select a folder to which you are going to save this. But for me, I'm going to create a new folder, and then I will call it recovery. So my friend, let me just create this and call it recovered photos or something like recovery, so that I can remember this. So I'll call it recover photos, and then my friend, all you need to do now is to click on select all, and the photos will be saved. So it will be asked to GoPro. I don't want to GoPro, so I'll click on no thanks. And then the next thing to do is now to come and locate my folder and see if I have the photo. So I'll come to my file explorer, and then I will click on SD. I will scroll down to find my folder that I called recover photos, and you can see I have the 4 photos that I recovered using this app. I can even open them and see they are still good, they are still in form, they are still having the same resolution, they still have the same size. And my friend, I believe this is a beautiful thing. You can recover up to 1,000 photos, and my friend, that will be done very quickly. So I hope that this video has been helpful to you, and if that is the case, my friend, feel very free to subscribe to this channel. And not only subscribe, my friend, ring that bell so that you do not miss any other future tips, tricks or tutorials. My friend, also do not forget to like this very video. This will help me in algorithm purposes, and also to reach out to many more people. Otherwise, I hope I will see you in my next video. Peace.